Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the January release, and this will be also a part of the TPC sale. So that is from the 7th to the 11th, so you'll have like super discounts on this stuff. This is the planner, monthly planner bundle kit, which will not be discounted on the website because it's already like super discounted as a bundle. But if there's a couple of things in here that will also be available separately on the website. So if you don't want the bundle or it sells out, you will be able to get the weekly kit and the, the foil bundle separately. And those you will be able to get discounted with this, but it's still, buying the bundle by itself is still cheaper than this with the discount from the TPC sale. Anyway, so let me get into the bundle itself. So this I'll get to next. This is the actual bundle. And it comes with every month. It's going to be themed depending on the season or the holiday or whatever's coming. So obviously for this one, because it's a month ahead, I did this one for Valentine's Day, and it's all very red and pink, and I love this. I think the artwork is super adorable. I'm in love with this artist. You're going to see this artist a lot more. And yeah, so let me get into the actual kit. So each one will have most of the same things every month. So this month I love making these clips, so I'm probably going to continue to make them. This month we've got this beautiful clip here in silver and pink and red with the pearls. Love this. Totally matches the kit very nicely. It's got some reds in it. It's got some pink. It's got lots of sparkle to it. I know I keep just bouncing it around here. I'll show you a couple of them because the heart, so the heart charms will be different depending on what I felt like at the time. Maybe the red might be a little bit different, but they're all basically colored the same. They'll all have the leaves, they'll all have a charm, they'll all have the beads, and they will be in the silver, red, pink, and then there's the pearl. So there's that. So that will be in the bundle. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but the bundle is $25. So everything that you see here, which will be one of the planner clips, and everything in this little pile right here will be $25. And so next up is the dashboard. Look at this artwork. So stinking cute. I love this girl. I think she's absolutely adorable. I love the reds and the pinks, that bright pop of color. Oh, it's gonna make my planner look so fabulous. So fabulous. Now when you flip it over, like always, my dashboards are double-sided, and on the other side I try to keep it somewhat functional. So here you've got your February 2021 goals, and you've got your little mini goals here with some weekly stuff, so you can fill this out to try to keep track of what's going on this month. It's kind of an overview. Next up we have washi. So the washi strips, these all match the artwork in the kit. And there are a variety of sizes from bigger to smaller. We have, let me go to this one first. So you also have matching icons that I have colored up to match this kit. We have got, this is the freebie, by the way. This isn't part of the bundle. Just because it matches the artwork, it kind of got in there, but this is the freebie for the month of January. That will come in everybody's order. These are some die cuts that you can use to decorate your planner with. So here's a cute little hedgehog with the pink and the red. We've got this, I love this typewriter. Love this typewriter, it's so stinking cute. Oops. Got this. And a coffee cup. Next, let's do the kit. Oh, I love this kit. I love this artwork. Like I said, you are gonna see this artist a lot on my channel because I absolutely love this artwork. So this is the Happy Planner version. This also comes in the standard vertical, like the Erin Condren size. It comes in B6, it comes in mini Happy Planner, and horizontal. So this just happens to be the Happy Planner one. It has the biggest boxes so you can see the artwork the best. There is your page 1, and this is a 6-page kit. Here's page 2. I give you tons and tons of boxes. Here's your washi with your dates. Here is another one. Tons more boxes. These are your strips, little strips. This is the big note section for the side. Some more washi strips. And then tons of deco and icons and your little movie marquee. So that's that. Then your foil bundle, which is a part of the same thing. The foil bundle this month is pink and silver. So I have a pink of it here, but it's going to be kind of a combination of the two. So you will have some of this will be pink and some of it will be silver, because I think they're absolutely gorgeous together. And I will do a plan with me and attach it to this video at the end. So if you stay tuned after I show you everything, you will see a very quick plan with me where I use this foil bundle with the actual kit in my Happy Planner. So here are your date dots, so your numbers. And I don't know how well you can see the pink, but there you go. This is your full box overlays, and they're on the clear paper, so you can, if the foil stuff is all one size, you will have to kind of get creative with it if you have like a smaller planner and kind of figure out where you want to use these, because these things I can't make different sizes, or else I would have to, it would take me so long to put together these bundles. So these are one size. I made a whole sheet of conversation hearts, and these are so stinking cute. And they have all like little hug me, love you, cutie, you rock. I took a lot of this from like pictures of old conversation hearts from when I was a kid, so I thought these were super cute. Here's another overlays and strips. These are like the divider or the header overlays, I guess you'd call it. And then the big page, which has your big washi strips. There's 4 of them here, different sizes. So if you have like, you know, the standard Erin Condren sized washis, so you've got this one down here, and then you've got this one up here. So you've got a bigger, I should pull it up so you can see the size of them. There you go. So there's 4 total here, another full box, and then some little bows and some corner pieces. And that is it for the planner bundle. Like I said, the planner bundle is $25, which is considerably cheaper than these by themselves. But if you go check out the website, you can tell the difference in all the prices because everything is listed on the website. So there is the planner bundle. Next up, we have the Year of the Ox. So I thought this would be really cute to have. So February is the Year of the Ox, and I wrote it down somewhere what the actual date is for the Chinese New Year, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But here are the coordinating icons and the washi page. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's not foiled. I'm like, see the foil? There's no foil. Here's the full boxes. He's just the cutest thing ever. Look at his little face. Here's a full one with him. He's so stinking cute. Isn't he adorable? Here's your page with your washi and your dates and your numbers. These are strips. More a little bit of deco here, some scripts, all that good stuff. So here is Year of the Ox. It's just called Ox on the website. You'll see him hanging out. There's that one. And then I did one more, is another Valentine's Day kit, but this is just a kit by itself. It's available in all the sizes. You'll see the drop down box. When you see this artwork, if you go to it, you hit the drop down box, you'll see what sizes each one of these are available in, and this one is available in all the same ones that this one was. So here are your full boxes. Love the colors of this kit. I just think it's super, super pretty. Love that pop of blue in here. Here's your next page. This is another Happy Planner one. Like I said, it's just easiest, biggest boxes for you to see. Another one. This is a little washi strip at the bottom. Your note section, more washi. Here's a ton of deco and your icons. And then this one is more of the strips and your trackers. So there is all of that. Now, if you hang out, stay tuned. I will do it'll probably be fast forwarded just so that you can see it, or I might, if I don't end up having time to do it, I will probably just insert a photo somewhere around here where you can see it finished and have it all together. But thank you so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy the sale. Mine is going to be 30% off once the TPC sale goes live. If you are not following TPC on Facebook or on Instagram, you probably should, because that is where you will get your code, but it will also be on the header of the Etsy shop when the sale starts on the 7th. So you do get early access to the sale, and these kits are not a monthly subscription. They are first come, first serve, and I will change them month to month depending on how many people actually like them and how popular they are, and I will increase the number of them as time goes by if people enjoy them. If not, then I'll leave it at a lower amount. But for the first kit, it's kind of a very limited stock because I don't want to end up with a ton of this stuff left over if this isn't something that people really like. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for listening to me ramble on. I hope you guys have a fabulous week. I hope you're having a wonderful New Year's. This year is going to be so much better, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Okay, so I could not get my act together to actually do this on camera, so I just did it off camera while I was running around trying to do about 100 other things, and now I'm just going to insert it into the end of the film so that you can see what I kind of came up with playing around with February. So these are some of the die cuts, and I attached them. So I'm using my Happy Planner for this, but like I said, this kit comes in a lot of different sizes, so you can set up, if you've got a rings, or if you've got like an EC, or you've got something like that, you can definitely use it the same. I happen to be using my Happy Planner because this is my home planner, so this is what I put all my household stuff in. So I kind of just decorated this front page here with some of the die cuts and a couple of the leftover stickers. I've got my dashboard right here, and I make my own little inserts for the dashboards. I attached my clip here just so that I had it sitting somewhere where I could see it and it's nice and pretty. And then when you flip it over, I can fill in all of my goals. This is just one of those little you can get these at Joann's, and I just cut them down to fit the different size Happy Planners. I also have a mini Happy Planner as well. So I just kind of cut them down, and then it's got these little pockets, and I just put die cuts in here, some paper that I had, and some cards I had left over from last year. And these are from a Cocoa Daisy kit. And then when we go to the week of the 14th, this is what it looks like. This is using the kit and some of the, not all, but some of, I cut them down. So you can see here, these are the overlays, the foil overlays on the bottom. I've got some of the box overlays here where I just put them in. I didn't actually put them on top, I just put them straight down on the paper because I think the white showing through the back just makes it so pretty. And I'm not really sure how well you can see where they are, but I've got a conversation heart here. I'll probably add a couple more to this page. Tons and tons and tons of stuff left over so that I can use that also in my B6 and in my mini Happy Planner. I've got lots of foil overlays left over, so I have plenty to play with in all of my other planners and in some journaling spots as well. And I also do like to fill this page out, so I will probably add some more to this page, and then a lot of times I will add in some little pages in here. If there's something going on, I will journal. Let's see if I have some. Here's some from Christmas. I took the lists out already that I used because I didn't want anybody to see my lists. But you can see I just kind of stick things in between the pages. So let's see. I want to see if I had any. Back in October, I really did it quite a bit with putting things in between and decorating, but here we go. So sometimes I like to decorate this page. I'll put these in, just kind of sticking things in between to decorate. And then I love my little, these are like the extra pages. So depending on what I feel like I need to add to that front section, this is the front section from October. And then here's another one of those little inserts. This came in a whole pack, and I think I got it at Michael's. It was on clearance, but you can definitely find these all over. I keep running into them wherever they sell Happy Planner stuff, but they're just like little inserts, and you can cut them down depending on the size of the Happy Planner. I believe this pack was made for that gigantic Happy Planner, but I don't have that one, so I just cut it down and use it for whatever size I need it to be for. And then this is just decorating the to-do page, and that is the same thing that I was going to do in February. So even though I haven't finished, so I still have to fill out the back of this. I've got my inserts that I need to put in, and then I need to fill this out as well. So I've got plenty of leftover stickers and all kinds of good stuff, tons of foil, lots and lots of stuff to keep on decorating. I still have to put in my month. The first week I haven't done yet, obviously, and then this is the week of Valentine's Day. So here's just an idea. Just one of the things, I know this is a really busy page. You can go all out, you can go minimal, you can do whatever and have a ton of stickers left over. It's just a really great versatile kit for you to use. And like I said, I'm using the pink foil, but there's going to be silver foil. silver, kind of a combination of silver and pink, because I kind of really missed not having the silver foil in here. So I might add some of the silver to this one later on, and I will show some pictures of it once I start filling it in on Instagram. So thanks so much for checking this out. I hope this gives you a couple ideas on what you can do with my kits, and I will see you again real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.